Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. So today we're going to draw a winner for these beautiful knit stickers. All right, so let's go to the computer and see who the winner is. Okay, so whoever's name comes up, please email me your mailing address. And I'll send that out to you as soon as I can. All right, so the word to use was the word design. Okay, now if you're wondering, how did I miss this giveaway? Well, it was at the very end of a video. It was a spontaneous giveaway. So if you didn't watch my video to the end, oops. All right, so let's see who the winner is. Okay, did you use the word design? Oh, you did. Lori Ravenhorst. You are the winner. And she wrote, Darla, are you going to make a tutorial on what you're working on? Yes, I am. I'm working on it. Looks like a beautiful design. Thank you so much and congratulations. So you have 5 days to contact me and I'll send those stickers out to you. Everybody congratulate Lori in the comments. Thank you. Bye for now.